Hello everybody. I wanted to give an update on some of the Alexa Salesforce integration that I was showing in the last video. I'm not going to show really new functionality of that app per se, but one of the things I wanted to show at my session for Dreamforce this year on IoT was how different connected devices can also connect to each other. So not just device to cloud, but device to cloud, and even the cloud being an intermediary for that and all that kind of stuff. So yesterday I got delivered, and then today I started tinkering around with a LIFX bulb. That's LIFX. And I posted and then pulled a blog post about some frustrations I was having on getting the whole thing just kind of up and running. I'm probably not going to post that content again. I think what would be better served is just sort of some tips and tricks for getting up and running with LIFX. Their support did reach out to me, and so a big thumbs up to Tabor over at LIFX for getting in touch with me and helping me through it. And it looks like after a good hardware reset and a couple other things that everything's kind of good to go. So this is sort of my mea culpa video. I pulled that blog post and I want to replace it with this video to really show that day one was indeed a success. And the API, once you get things up and running, is actually very straightforward and very easy to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the lights. So it's going to get really dark here for a second. And then we are going to see, so keep your eye on the light back there. And I'm going to say, Alexa, open Salesforce. Alexa, open Salesforce.
Connected to Salesforce.
Get latest cases.
Here are your latest cases. Case number 1. Design issue with mechanical rotor. Next case. Case number 2. Motor design hindering performance. Next case. Case number 3. Starting generator after electrical failure.
Alexa,
Next.
stop. So basically there, when we connected to Salesforce, the way Alexa works is that the first thing it does is it has kind of, it acknowledges the connection that your application's up and running. And so there it took the bulb and it went all the way to 10 and also changed the warmth of it. And then we were reviewing the latest cases. It's doing what's called the breathe effect, and so it's going back and forth between a couple of things. Not necessarily the most real-world use case, but really just supposed to be a smoke test to show that these two devices are coordinating with each other across the cloud, in this case using a Heroku application. So day one success. Thumbs up. Looks like the old LIFX bulb is going to be making its way to San Francisco, or I'll get one of the cooler color ones. So thanks again to Tabor at LIFX, and thanks for all you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.